Oh, well, that's why.
Something didn't, it's not crossing over somehow. Let me try it and watch. See if two burners light up before the rest of them do.
That's what it's doing. The two on the right went on. The two on the right are.
Yes, it just the two burners on the right are lighting, but the other two, it's like delayed ignition. So that thing fills up with gas, then it fires back.
Yeah.
So if I think probably have to just pull all the burners out and get all the dust and stuff out of them, and just do a little cleanup a little bit, and we'll try it again and see if that makes a difference. Oh, you've been using it?
Yeah. A little stretchy.
But you were still using it? Oh, okay.
Scared it's getting
I was just wondering why it was so hot in here, man.
Yeah.
Lennox has a furnace that Yeah, these new thermocouples, they thinned them out. Instead of having like a nice solid post, it gets to the end and then it thins out where they cheapened them. You know, use less material. There we go. Being jammed in there would be pretty challenging. I'd take the coil out too and just start over.
Well, I'm over here to get this working.
Well, we'll see here in a second.
The burner's cleaned up nice too.
See how smooth that was?
Yeah. That's what I was saying. I was used to a little boost, but not boom.
They all. Watch how they all fire off at the same time, man. Watch how they all fire off at the same time. See that?
Yeah.
Before those two were only lighting, and then these two chambers would fill up with gas and like a shotgun blast. See, because this is a slow opening valve, so you don't get like a surge of gas. It's watch the burners. They'll slowly. The gas pressure will slowly come up. See, what you'll see, just a slow, and then the gas pressure will pick up. So now it's experience, man.
And I like. That's why I'm getting out of the way.
Excellent. Pop, pop, pop. Matthew, is that you? You went on 70? Today's, I'll just put it on like 70. It probably ain't gonna come on for a while. Good?
All good to go.
All right.